I'm going to show you a really simple trading strategy. Support and resistance. It's the easiest. And supply and demand. Okay? So let's take a look at the charts and let's have a look at what we've got. It's my secret trading system, my edge. Okay, let's have a look. So if you go into the chart, you can see here that we've got, okay, this is the FTSE, right? That's fine. What I'll do, I'll go to the day, right? Okay, let's change it, or let's make it a little bit more, there we go, usable. Let's put it on a line chart, hang on, a line chart, yeah, there we go, line chart, there we go. Okay, let's remove that. Now, we've got a line chart. Now with a line chart, you can see the points much better. It helps to see the points, okay? So before we carry on with this, it's Rob Guilty, it's logical trading. Trading is risky. Don't forget trading is risky. So if you don't like risk and you don't like losing money, don't trade, okay? Hey, but let's get to it. Let's have a look at what's on the charts and let's see how we trade support and resistance, supply and demand, right? So first we'll do support and resistance, then we'll do a bit of supply and demand, just to have a wee look, okay? So my system's really simple, straightforward, no bullshit. What we do is we take a line chart on the daily, right? So you can see here, there's a few points here. So this is clearly a level. So let's draw that level in, okay? And we use boxes because it doesn't have to be exact. Let's be perfectly honest. So if you look at that, we've got quite a nice level on the daily, right? There we go. Now if you look at the bottom here, there's definitely a support area there. So let's draw that one in, right? Now the reason I'm only drawing these two in is because, let's be perfectly honest, if you draw a whole bunch of lines in there, it's just going to confuse you. So we want the one at the top, we want the one at the bottom. That's. If you guys are interested, go and check out my secret blog here. 10 seconds of your time, that's all. I got a secret blog, it's in the description, it's in the bio. Check it out. Every day I post a trade. For those of you who are interested in seeing what other people are trading and what's going on a daily basis, I post one of my trades there every single day. This is not financial advice, it's just a trading idea. Enjoy it. So if you check that trade every day, that might be useful to you. You might want to use it and see my trades every day, and it might help you, it might not. But it's just an idea, it's just a trading idea. Remember, my trades are 50-50 at best, and I take losses. And you can see on the line chart that very much we're in the resistance level. Okay, so let's have a look at that. We'll change it back to a candle. There you go. Lovely. She's in the candles. And now you can see on the daily where you stand. Now have a look on the daily where it's going. Look, this particular one is pretty much in a range, but that's okay. We're going to look at that. That's fine. If it was in a trend up, same thing. You just go on the trends as you go up and you just draw the support and resistance as to where you are. Okay. So here we are. We're in a trend. And now we go back down to the 4 hour. If you want to trade on the 1 hour, fine. Same thing. You can take it down to the 1 hour. Now, if you look at the 4 hour, you can see very clearly here and very nicely that you've got a possible trade coming up, right? So with that trade possibly coming up, you can now, by all means, take this and just have a look at it, right? So if you get a red bar coming out, then you're going to go short, right? If you get a green bar going out, you're going to go long. Simple as that. And your stop loss is where you want to look, right? So let's just remove that. So what you're going to do about your stop loss? Well, that's pretty easy. Now, let's say we're going long. Then we're going to put our stop loss just below these lows, right? Or a little bit below these lows. And we'll take our take profit. Let's take it right up there because, I mean, you're just going to add to your profits if she's going up, right? So that's one way of doing it. Let's say you're going short, okay? So we're going short. Let's say it comes out of there. Our profits target is much more clear. It's down here, down at the bottom, right? It's pretty clear. Stop loss is much more clear as well, just above the last high, okay? And that's support and resistance for you, righto? So let's remove all the drawings, right? Let's see, have we got a nice area where we, oh, look at that. Look at that, we've got a demand area. So if you're looking for a supply and demand area, quite easy. You don't have to change to the day chart, the lower time frames, higher time frames. Look at this. All you've got to do is you've got to look for 3 nice, clear uptrend bars for a demand area, okay, and 3 clear downtrend bars for a supply area. So that would have been a supply area right there. So you could have drawn a supply area in there. Look at that. The confluence is amazing. It actually matches up to the demand area. So if we take the demand area and we draw it in, there's your demand. Boom. Look at that. Okay, so effectively what you've got here is if this now comes down into that area, you're going to trade log. That's it. You get a green bar coming out of there because that's a demand area. And if you look at it, let's remove all the drawings. And if you look at it, you can see clearly that this would have been a supply area previously, okay? And it matches up perfectly with support. Also, with the demand area we have right now, okay? And that's as simple as the system gets. That's all you need to know. You don't need to know anything over and above that. That's your system. That's what you're going to trade with. No problems, no worries. So, guys, if you like that, don't forget to sort of like, comment, subscribe, follow. And if you enjoy the videos, you know, come back, watch them again. Guys, thanks for watching. It's Rob Guilty. And till next time, bye.